Okay, so here we are gonna install the GatorStep on this Triton. Came in this morning and it comes rolled up, so let it lay flat. Let it breathe a little bit before I install it. As you can see, I got my floor as clean as it's gonna get. I scrubbed with acetone for countless hours on this job, so got a clean, smooth surface. Nothing to stop it from gluing down. Now we're just gonna give it a quick scrub with ammonia cleaner to get any loose dirt up and just give it that final little cleaning. So now we're just going to take a scrub brush and scrub this floor really good. Okay, so now that we got the floor scrubbed with ammonia cleaner, I'm gonna take our piece here, and before we take our 3M backing off, we're just gonna lay it in here and verify everything. Make sure it fits how we patterned it. Okay, so now that I got my scissors, I'm gonna start from one side. We're just gonna peel this just a little bit, just to get us started here. Now, one thing with the 3M backing that's different from the other EVA foam floorings is you have a little bit more time to play with it and get it situated. So if you touch a little bit and you don't like your placement, you can lift it up quickly and kind of re-put it down. So I'll kind of show you right now. So just want to move this a little bit this way. Okay. So now that we got the front started and stuck there, we're gonna come over this way. now we're just gonna work our way around and really press this in firmly, put a lot of pressure on this thing. And the reason we start from one side and go the other way is, there's a couple reasons. So it stays aligned how we want it on there. Just if you take the whole thing off, you have it sticking to a bunch of stuff, and it's really, it doesn't work as good. And another reason is that this can get air bubbles in it. We've actually had it happen where we install this and the customer calls a few days later and says, hey, there's an air bubble right here. We think that maybe it's from, if there's a tiny one that you don't see, and then it's really hot outside, it expands it so then you can see it more. But we kind of have found a trick for fixing that, so next time I encounter it, I'll show you guys. But this is a product that you could do yourself at home if you're a DIYer. The product is called GatorStep. You can contact them and they'll send you a material that you can take a template of your flooring with or whatever you're trying to pattern, and you send it back to them and they send you the finished pieces that you stick down. So this is something that you could do yourself at home if you wanted to save a little bit of money. Okay, so now this is done, we're just gonna kind of walk around a bit, get it pressed down good. We also installed two pieces back here. So we're pretty much done with this boat. We just have a couple pieces of upholstery to finish on it, and then this thing's going back to the owner. So thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.